Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome to your chemistry class. Hope you all are learning from the online class portal. In this video, we will be going to study about matter and physical nature of matter. So, if you will see around yourself, each and everything, whether it's your bed, whether it's your chair, whether yourself, where even the air you breathe, the clouds you see, all these things whichever you are seeing, all these things are made up of materials which have been named as matter. It means everything in this universe is made up of material which scientists have named matter. As you all know, science is a subject of observation, facts, experiments. So, various people have done the observations. So, according to ancient Indian philosopher, matter is the form of five basic elements. They are air, earth, fire, sky, and water. Combinedly, it has been considered as Panch Tattva. According to them, everything living or non living was made up of these five basic elements. But if we have to define matter, is considered as anything which have mass and occupies space has been considered as matter. In other words, they have both mass and volume. So how we will consider that matter is having mass and also occupying the space? Suppose, let us take an example. You are taking 1 liter of milk. So you will take the milk and pour it in a vessel. You will see that vessel has been occupied by the amount of milk. It means mass is considered as the amount of matter. It means that vessel has been filled with 1 liter of milk. Milk is a matter and it is occupying the space of the vessel. So in this context we can understand that anything which have mass and occupies the space is considered as matter. Like suppose you have taken an example of 1 kg of rice. You will take 1 kg of rice, so the amount of matter is 1 kg, and if you put it on the table it will occupy the space of the table. So it has been considered as matter and it is made up of materials. So that is matter. Next is we will be going to study about the topic that is physical nature of matter. And these two main important points are matter is made up of particles and particles of matter are very small. So how we will consider that matter is made up of particles? It means if you will see in the image a glass has been broken down. It has been broken down into pieces. Some are large, some are small, and even the glass dust also you can see. So by this demonstration you can understand that matter is made up of particles. Next is particles of matters are very small. Let us understand this by with the activity. Here it has been taken 5 beakers. Each and every beaker is having 100 ml of water. In the first beaker just add 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, which is having a dark violet color. As soon as you have mixed it in the beaker, you will see in the first beaker the color becomes dark pink. Now you take from this solution, take 10 ml of the solution and add it in the another 100 ml of water beaker. Again and again, by repeating this process, you will see that the color of the beaker is becoming lighter. It means the color fades, but it imparts color. So by this activity, you can clearly understand that with a few crystals, because we have mixed only 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate, with a few crystals, it can color a large volume of water. Why it can color a large volume of water? Because there are millions of tiny particles present in each crystal. That is how we can consider particles of matter are very small. It means matter is having space, having mass and occupying space. It is made up of small particles. This is in the hope you all understand well. Let us understand the next topic tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe at your home.